Jason Harker, owner and founder of Blue Iris Landscapes. We've been established since 1995, so we've been going a long time. Most of our clients are based in North Staffordshire and South Cheshire, as that's where we're based. And for our clients, we tend to look after their gardens, and that'll involve regular garden maintenance or one-off and landscaping. The objective is to make sure the gardens look fantastic, that you've got something that you're really proud of, that when you've got friends and family come round, that they go, wow, that looks amazing. So our typical client tends to be professional or retired professional. They tend to have medium to large gardens, anything between a quarter of an acre up to a couple of acres, and they really want a gardener that is an expert. They want to have no hassle with it, so that's what we do. We come in, and because we've got such a great team, the men know exactly what they're doing. They will come in and they'll do exactly what's needed to make sure your garden looks amazing. Doesn't matter what time of the year, you know, whether it be lawns or pruning or whatever, they'll make sure that whatever is necessary is done to make your garden look the best. And we've also got a fantastic team in the office. If you phone us up, we'll answer the call within 2 rings. That's the type of level of customer service that we really like to give our clients. It's super important to us because most of our clients are, you know, short on time because they're busy people. So if you want a gardening firm that has got a huge amount of experience, that's got the team to support it, then we're absolutely the right choice for you.